Happy birthday, Tatay Digong. Happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tatay Digong. Happy birthday to you. Tatay Digong, we love you. Salamat yan. VP Sara, we love you!
VP Sara, we love you!
So, ready for picture taking. Very sorry na delete po, hindi po namin magawa na kanya-kanya, ano. We will have our group picture taking for security reasons. Okay. Pwede ba? Oo. Oh, sige. Sige. VP Sara is ready for picture taking. Okay?
Alright, we would like to announce to the public, we will have a selfie. If you have your banners with you, put it up. Ang mga flag, you put it up, no? We will take a picture here with VP Sara for the crowd shot. Kay itaas! Itaas ang mga flag! Kung wala kayong mga flag, raise your iron fist! Raise your iron fist! Ready! Ready! 1, 2, 3! Duterte lang malakas!
Ako si Michael King yung nag-viral sa isang reporter.
Michael King!
Ang daming viewers ko.
Naka-live ka ba dyan?
Yes.
Hi Michael King! How are you?
Cellphone ko po yan.
Saan ka? Taga mo na King.
Yes. Ako yung nag-viral sa reporter, naka-record yung boses. Sorry ate.
Ikaw yun?
Sorry ate, naka-live ako.
Dali ka lang. Hindi, sana lang. Balik tayo dyan talaga. Thank you ah.
Mga kababayan, ang gusto pong magpa-selfie kay VP Sara, we will start in this part. We will enter here. We will take a photo with VP and then we will exit in that area. I would like to call the attention of the security to please guide the people. Make a line here in this area, please. And then let's control the people. Security people, please.